Here are favorite Amazon finds you didn't think you needed. If your cart isn't full after this, are you even watching? Subscribe and ring that notification bell for more favorites.
Amazon finds that make life easier. This one is equivalent to having a live-in maid. It even requires little to no maintenance as it self-empties its dirty water tank and dustbin once the job is complete. It has numerous smart features like the ability to mop and vacuum at the same time, stair and rug detection so it will never mop over your carpet, and it works under and around your furniture, leaving every inch of your floor spotless.
Amazon must-haves, part 7 of 100. If you're someone who hasn't cleaned your water bottle or travel mug in a while, these all-natural cleaning tablets are exactly what you need. All you have to do is fill your bottle with warm water, drop in a tablet, and watch it foam like a volcano. It'll start powering away the stains, odors, bacteria, and any other buildup, even in all the hard-to-reach areas that bottle brushes can't really get to. After just 30 minutes, dump it out, give it a quick rinse, and the inside of your bottle's basically brand new again.
Random Amazon finds it just slap. This all-in-one thingamajiggy lets you pull your keys to clean your keyboard and laptop, has a spray bottle and wiper to clean the smudges from your phone or bookmark screen, and has a cleaning pen to remove earwax and gunk from your earbuds, charging case, and charging port.
Amazon cleaning must-haves. Nothing, and I mean nothing, will clean your glass like this. This is a portable electric vacuum squeegee. Use the spray bottle with the microfiber pad to cleanse. Then use the electric squeegee that sucks up all the excess liquids to make the glass shine and avoid a drippy mess.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great? Chris. I know, it's my dream. I have goosebumps everywhere.
Show me something that TikTok overhyped, but actually got it right. Baby, for me, it's this. I use it like there's no tomorrow.
I get a lot of requests from people wanting to know what I use to clean my home with, so here are my favorite products. Let's start out with mops. I will start from my cheapest to my most expensive. I love this spray mop for quick and easy spills, and one of the things is great is that you don't have to buy refills. You can use whatever cleaner you like, and it has washable pads. Next is the spin mop. This is my favorite mop of all my mops. You just pop it in the little spinner and it gets it pretty dry so you don't have water all over the floor. Plus, it's great for doing baseboards, cleaning your cupboards, doing your doors, of course my shower, which I don't have to get on my knees anymore, and my trash cans, which is great. And if you're in the market for a fancier mop with more technology, the Tynaco is great. It picks up all the dirt off my floor and it's super easy to clean. But the one thing I do recommend is that you air dry all the parts before you store them so things don't get smelly. Mopping slippers are another product that I found this year that I love. No more slipping or scaling the walls to my bedroom, and they're machine washable, which is great. I'm sure you've seen this little bad boy in a lot of my videos. No, it's not my husband's toothbrush. This is actually a power grout scrubber that's great for getting small areas around your kitchen and bathroom. Mineral oil is another tip I found this year. It is amazing at getting rid of spots on my stainless and on my fixtures. I am loving these compressed cleaning sponges. They also come in facial sponges too, which I'm obsessed with. But these are great because they don't take up a lot of space when you're storing them. I am loving these e-cloths. Never again will I have to buy chemicals to wash my mirrors. It comes with 2 cloths, one wet to clean and one dry to remove spots. Power Paste has become one of my favorites. I love it in the shower, especially on the glass doors. It's the best thing I have found for removing spots. This is a mattress vacuum. This thing is fabulous at removing dust mites, dead skin cells, and pet dander from your mattress. For anyone who has allergies, this is essential. I'm always shocked when people ask me what this is, but this is a toilet bowl cleaner that I love, and it's disposable. When you're finished, you just pop it right into the trash. This is a scouring stick. This thing is great at removing that unsightly toilet bowl ring or any kind of stains in your tubs. And my newest cleaning tool that I have been enjoying is the paper towel spray pump. This one actually I am using way more than I thought I would. It is very convenient, especially now since we are going through potty training with Kobe and I'm having to clean up messes in every room.
Thank you so much for watching. All the product links are in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss another viral Amazon favorite.